My lord, the working in 19 my lord, he lost the job in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. The petitioner, my lord, selected in the two selection process in my lord, the upper primary physical education, work education, and SLST 19 of the subject geography. In that work education, my lord, they have issued the my lord, the recommendation letter, but already he had not joined because he already joined in the 19 school in terms of SLST 2016. But in the meantime, he lost the job. He made application before the School Service Commission to consider the matter in terms of the Supreme Court passed the order in paragraph 47. Considering the paragraph 47, this representation is pending before the School Service Commission. But yesterday, your lordship asked me whether the panel is in the 2019, the panel was published, but the validity panel expired within the 1 year. However, 2022, the government decided to extend the lifetime of the panel, and till this panel has been valid, and my lord, 1600 waitlisted candidate waiting for the appointment. And this issue is pending before the another learned honorable coordinate bench.
Show me any document that this panel, which expired on 12 December 2018, or which expired on 11 December 2019,
This is
was subsequently extended.
this is the my lord, the notification.
দেখি দেখো। Relating to creation of supernumerary posts.
Yes, that is the waitlisted candidate. Extended the panel. The 1600 candidates already waiting for the appointment.
Panel life extend
Waiting list candidate still waiting for the appointment. Yes.
I don't see how Rajiv ke book
It is for accommodating waitlisted candidate. You are not the waitlisted candidate. You are impanel candidate, but you did not join the pool.
Selection process is still continuing.
No,
That
no.
is my prayer. Yes, that is they have issued the interim order to not to allow to join anybody.
That is to accommodate waitlisted candidates.
Waitlisted candidate.
You are the impanel candidates, but you did not join since you are working in another school. How you can be, your case is akin to the case of the waitlisted candidates.
The subject to lordship person question is before the honorable coordinate bench whether the lifetime of the panel is expired or not. That is under sub judice.
That I do not know. I would follow the law relating expiry of
This is
panel.
but Supreme Court already, my lord, the 8th April 2025, the passed an order. This memo is the valid and considered. My lord, that issue, my lord, this bench, coordinate bench is decided the issue. My learned advocate on behalf of the School Service Commission, my lord, made an affidavit.
What was decided by the court?
Well, they have issued the interim order, interim protection, the selection process going on, not to allow anybody to join in the 8 state selection process who have got the recommendation letter. But this is the
In
order.
which selection process?
This selection process, 2016, work education physical education. Meenakshi Ghosh.
Is what is submitting?
My lord, if
follow.
my learned friend should make very clear-cut arguments. Simply, suddenly mentioning coordinate bench, mentioning Supreme Court, it will get us nowhere. What is the real situation? He was a candidate for work education. He was recommended. He did not join. My panel, it was published on 12/12/2018 and it expired on 11/12/2019. That is the end of the story as far as the petitioner is concerned. Now, when the panel expired, by then we had concluded the panel, recommendation of the panel, and as far as the waitlist could have gone, all vacancies exhausted. Subsequently, government took a decision
To create
to create supernumerary post for accommodating only the waitlisted candidates, the leftover waitlisted candidates, not for all candidates, not for absentee candidates, not for empaneled candidates, not for other waitlisted, only for those who did not get employment. Due to the dearth of the vacancies got exhausted. That is under challenge. Undisputedly, that is under challenge by the coordinate bench, that whether in this situation the government was right in creating the supernumerary post or not. So that part has nothing to do with this candidate. As far as this candidate is concerned, the panel has expired in 2019, December 2019, and he sat tight over his recommendation because he was working elsewhere. So as on date, he cannot be accommodated in any manner in any
issue.
place.
Last year, Lordship passed this order.
910.
Yes. 910 had lost.
910 or 11, 12. 9.
910.
910. Second page, my lord.
Work education should, right?
recommendation আছে।
জব লুজ করেছিল 3rd April।
January 20.
But I have not decided this. Matter was
This is-
directed to
This is-
appear under the heading motion.
Yes, my- that
I
is-
was only directed to take the instruction,
Because
and what is recorded is my learned friend's submission.
I have full sympathy, but the problem is that these stages are over. What can be done today?
in terms of paragraph 47, 47,
Affidavit of no, affidavit of file your affidavit of service. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Petitioner participated in first state level selection test 2016 for classes 9 and 10 and also for upper primary level of and also for first SLST 2016 for upper primary level of classes in connection with work education and physical education for being appointed as assistant teacher. Petitioner selected in both the selection processes, but decided to accept appointment in connection with petitioner's participation in first SLST 2016 for classes 9 and 10. You did not participate in the counseling in your favor in connection with work education, physical education. Therefore, in spite of being recommended for being appointed as assistant teacher, in connection with first SLST 2016, upper primary for work education and physical education, he did not join the post. So, petitioner prays for direction which would permit the petitioner to join the post of assistant teacher of work education, assistant teacher of work education for upper primary level of classes. Since petitioner has lost job in terms of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd April 2025, passed on civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil numbers 9586 of 2025 within bracket State of West Bengal versus Boipaki Bhattacharya Chatterjee and others close bracket. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Petitioner also relies upon. Now, client advocate representing the petitioner relies upon an order dated 19th May 2022 issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of West Bengal, whereby decision was taken to create supernumerary posts to accommodate waitlisted candidates. In connection with waitlisted candidates, in connection with first SLST 2016 upper primary work education, physical education. It is submitted that issue is pending. It is submitted that validity of the said order dated 19th May 2022 issued by the Deputy Secretary is still under consideration by a coordinate bench. Therefore, petitioner, therefore it is not a case that panel which was prepared on completion of first SLST 2016 upper primary work education and physical education expired. Next paragraph. West Bengal Central School Service Commission is represented by learned advocate who submits that petitioner is not waitlisted candidate. Therefore, he is not entitled to get the benefit of the aforesaid order dated 19th May 2022. Stop. Furthermore, panel which was prepared in connection with first SLST 2016 upper primary work education, physical education expired on 11 December 2019. Next paragraph. It appears that petitioner lost job in terms of the judgment dated 3rd April 2025 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in Boipaki Bhattacharya Chatterjee Supra. And petitioner, when recommended for petitioner petitioner টা কেটে দাও, when recommended for কেটে দাও, and at the material point of time petitioner did not join the post of assistant teacher in work education for upper primary level of classes, since petitioner was working as an assistant teacher for classes 9 and 10 on being selected in first SLST 2016 for classes 9 and 10. Meanwhile, panel which was prepared based on first SLST 2016 upper primary, for first SLST 2016 upper primary, work education and physical education expired on 11 December 2019. So, subsequently, order dated 19th May 2022 was issued by the Deputy Secretary in order to accommodate waitlisted candidates by creating supernumerary posts. Stop. Indisputably, petitioner is not waitlisted candidate.
দেখি না আমি তার টাকা দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Stop. It is also fact that the panel relating to first SLST 2016 upper primary work education and physical education expired on 11 December 2019. Next paragraph. It is straight law that after expiry of the panel, candidate loses right to claim appointment being a selected candidate. Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court dated Honorable Supreme Court reported in 1996 9 SSC 309 State of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Harish Chandra and others, and another reported in 2009 2 SSC 706 Girdhar Kumar Dadhij and another versus State of Rajasthan and others. Next one. Hence, no relief can be granted to the petitioner. Writ petition stands dismissed.